In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timestamps to Google Sheets. We'll take you through a step-by-step process using the IFS function. And by the end of this guide, you'll be able to automatically record timestamps in your Google Sheets wherever relevant. To start, we'll be using the IFS function, which allows us to set multiple if conditions within our sheet. This is useful for automatically generating timestamps based on various criteria. Begin by typing the formula xalmifs, followed by an open parenthesis in the cell where you want the timestamp to appear. For the first condition, we'll look at a checkbox. Imagine you have a checkbox that represents a completed task. When this box is unchecked, we want the cell to remain blank. In our formula, this is represented by double quotation marks, which signal the cell to display nothing. Moving on to the second part, it's a little more complicated, so stick with me. Here, we want to generate a timestamp, but only under certain conditions. If the date field is blank, we're going to use the now function. This function captures the current date and time. It's helpful if you need the cell to automatically update whenever a specific action is taken. Let's say you're using cell E3 as a reference. If its condition becomes true, we simply use the value of E3 as input again. Once this setup is complete and you press Enter, you may encounter an error message. This happens because Google Sheets does not automatically allow certain circular references. But don't worry, here's how we fix it. Head over to the File menu, navigate to Settings, and then select Calculation. In this section, you'll want to enable Iterative Calculation. Once you've done that, make sure to save these settings. This adjustment allows Google Sheets to accept the recursive logic we've set up. So now, anytime you check the box, your timestamp will appear instantly, accurately reflecting when the action was taken. Importantly, it won't continue to update endlessly as time marches forward, which is exactly what we want. As a final tip, don't forget to change the format of your date cell to include both date and time. This ensures the timestamp is as informative as possible. Simply select your cell, go to Format, choose Number, and then pick Date and Time. This will give you the precise format you need to track actions efficiently. Congratulations! You've now learned how to automatically insert timestamps into your Google Sheets using the IFS function combined with some smart settings adjustments. With this setup, you're ready to make your sheets significantly more dynamic and informative. Thanks for tuning in, and happy timestamping!